Adding a Pypes exhaust to your ride is a great way to add sound, durability, and horsepower. And if you're on a budget but still want the sound, this video is for you. With thousands of units sold, the Pype Bomb has become the standard for Mustang Axlebacks. And because of its popularity, we've branched out to Chevy and Dodge applications as well. Installation is simple, so follow along as I show you how even the camera guy can do it. Before we begin, let's open up the box. The crew at work does a great job packing parts so they don't get damaged during transit.
Ooh.
Who doesn't love stickers? The Pype Bomb is a simple bolt-on muffler delete. 304 stainless or black powder coat, take your pick.
Oh, look at that.
I'm going stainless on the 2012 Mustang we're working on. A lift is nice if you have one, but I'm doing this install the way many of our customers will, in their garage with a set of jack stands. Here are the tools I'm using. You can pause the video and take a look at the list in detail. Otherwise, let's move on. First step, unbolt the factory clamp connecting the Axleback to the mid-pipe using a 13mm socket. I'm also going to go up to the mid-pipe and loosen that with a 15mm socket. Supporting the muffler helps remove tension off the hanger bolts. It'll definitely make things easier if you're working alone. Pull the hanger out of the rear isolator using hanger removal pliers. I hit this with WD-40, but soapy water can work too. Remove two 13mm bolts securing the front exhaust hanger. Once the upper bolt is removed, pry the muffler toward the rear of the car to expose the second bolt. The S197 Mustang factory clamp is connected to the Axleback with a small bracket that needs to be cut and hit with a file. Transfer the hanger onto your new Pypes exhaust. Start installing the Pype Bomb into the rear hanger, followed by the front hanger bolts. You may need to rotate the mid-pipe a little. Connect the Pype Bomb to the mid-pipe using the factory 13mm clamp. Once you're happy with fitment, tighten everything down. Just repeat the same steps on the driver's side. One note about the driver's side is the front hanger bracket has 3 13mm bolts instead of 2. Alright, so this is the point where you want to start the car, but before you do that, take a rag and wipe the exhaust to help remove oil left over from your hands or manufacturing. Alright, everything is tight. Now time for a cold start, launch, and road test. I'm placing mics on the interior and exterior of the vehicle. What you're hearing will be a blend of both mics to emulate what it's like to sit in the driver's seat. For the best results, use headphones. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Unleashing sound isn't the only thing this exhaust did. We're now 26 pounds lighter with the Pype Bomb. That wasn't so hard, was it? I'm happy to report that the owner loves their new Pypes exhaust. Pypes also offers a complete line of exhaust components for American performance cars ranging from 1950 to present day. So to get your ride Pypes equipped, visit pypesexhaust.com or give us a call at 1-800-421-3890.